गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव। जे उत्पत्ति स्थिति लय करे वेदो स्तुति उच्चरे जेनारोम सुछिद्रमा अणुसमा ब्रह्मांड कोटि फरे माया काळ रवि शशि सुरगणो आज्ञानलोपेक्षण एवाक्षरधामनाधिपति श्री स्वामिनारायण जनियमृतवाणी तो वही साक्षात् महिमा रूपे जनी ब्रह्म स्थिति अहोलिन करे सुभव्याक्षर पदे शरणागत निजाल्प जीव सहुना श्रेयार्थ तत्पर काका स्नेहल सिंधु दिव्य विभुने हयो तो वंदन करे जैनी वाणी विषय अखंड वहती सुरावली ब्रह्मणि किंतु थई अज्ञात अल्प समीपे रस बसहु मावड़ी जीवे जे अलमस्त स्वामी श्रीजीमा मोक्षदाता वड़ी पप्पा जोगी स्वरूप विभु चरणे झुकी रहूं भाव थी दीक्षार्पिया हो गुणातीत समी ने गुरु योगिए काका ने वड़ी आप दिव्य द्वयनु अद्वैतनो खूज छे दे साक्षी अनंतना स्वरूप आ शास्त्री महाराजनु एवा स्वामी हरि प्रसाद चरणे वंदन सदा हूँ करूँ। सजानंद स्वामी महाराजनी जय। सर्वे गुणातीत स्वरूपोनी जय जय जय। प्रकट ब्रह्म स्वरूप काकाजी महाराज मैत्री मिलन महोत्सवनी जय जय जय। प्रकट ब्रह्म स्वरूप पप्पाजी महाराज शताब्दी पर्व जय जय जय। प्रकट ब्रह्म स्वरूप काकाजी महाराज शताब्दी पर्व महोत्सवनी जय जय जय। प्रकट ब्रह्म स्वरूप हरिप्रसाद स्वामी महाराज युवा महोत्सवनी जय जय जय। प्रकट ब्रह्म स्वरूप जसभाई साहेब संत प्रीति दर्शन महोत्सवनी जय जय जय। सदगुरुदेव की जय जय जय। आज के आनंद की जय जय जय। हजी आज सरस अधिक महीनानो अधिक दिवस छेल्लो दिवस the last day of the extra month in Indian calendar. Jai Swaminarayan Babu. And in Powai they had celebrated for 30 days, one whole month, the Parayana celebration of Gunatit Swarup Darshan. All Gunatit saints, their glory, they came there also to bless. And today it was final day. And we are here today celebrating the anniversary of Vimal Kumar and Amy Ben's 2000. So 12 years. And also birthday and other celebration also today. Also, on this day, I came to America. And America is here today. We are very happy to see you, America. Yeah. And also I joined Abbott also on this day, 36 years ago. So now it's getting time to retire from Abbott. Yeah. I used to buy tablets for our Gurudev Kakaji. Yeah, multivitamin tablets, They were very famous and very expensive also, compared to other tablets, But they were all liking, that multivitamin tablets from Abbott, yes. And on this day, we want to pray for everybody who had come to Parayan for 30 days in Powai and who are coming here also on this Sunday Mahapuja to be all beyond all this, any negativities and problems, and be in total focus with the positivity and our masters, And in Australia also we pray for all those devotees. Today we had one family who came from Australia at Powai, and their son, he is very bright in mathematics, Kavan. And he was saying 5 Swamini Vato. So he said 4 of them, and he forgot the 5th one of them, So somebody said, okay, Sajanand Swami Maharaj ni jai. But he did not move. He says, one more, And he is a counter, He remembers that I did 4, not 5, And then the last one he said also, that whole world is not mad. Only those who are coming here and doing the worship of God are mad, And if you are mad to something, then you will achieve, You have to be crazy for something, આપણે પણ ગાંડા છીએ તો ભગવાન ભજાય છે. ડાયા કોઈ ભગવાન ભજી શકતા નથી. એવી છેલ્લી વાત એણે કરી, એટલે it is a unique experience and chance that we have in this lifetime to be in this kind of satsang, to be in the company of saints, and to recite the scriptures, Swaminarayan Bhagwans and Gunaditanand Swamis and Shikshapatri and Gita and all this Bible and Quran and all these holy scriptures, That if we take positive out of that, then we will be on the right path, on the right roadway. There was one incident, in April 2005, Pramukh Swami Maharaj was at a temple in Gadada, on the 14th of April, just day before the tax day, We pay the taxes, right, on 15th. So, during the ceremony, lot of devotees came to Pramukh Swami's darshan for his blessings. And one devotee specially came, and the saints tried to explain to Pramukh Swami that when you were at his town, this devotee's town, this devotee and his son came for your darshan. There was a big crowd there, And some people stopped them to have your darshan. Some people stopped that father and son because of a lot of crowd or whatever, to reach to him. And from that moment, they are very sad that why they were stopped. They were very sad But now slowly they have started coming. Slowly they have changed their mind and they are coming to the satsang. But their son has not come yet except today, Today he has come. And they want some blessings from you. So listening to this, Swami Shri gave samjan to this two father and son, that if the President of India would have come to your town, and if there was a 1 mile long queue, and if your turn was denied because of the long queue, and if you have been to their gathering, how happy you would be, You would tell your friends and relatives that I went to the gathering of President. And I was there and I saw him from the distance. Oh, ho, ho, ho. What was a gathering, There, we don't feel bad, even though we don't shake hand of President. Because we have the magnanimity of President. Same way, if we have the magnanimity of a saint, Satpurush, then we will not feel negative. We would think that, oh, I had a nice darshan. And he was so great that person like me even cannot approach him. He was so great, But we think not that way, We think the other way, So, we should not feel negative. That is one thing. But even if you have to go to the Gandhinagar, Gandhinagar is the local, state capital, just like, Springfield here, If we have to go to the Gandhinagar and there the peon will stop us and say, come tomorrow, not today. He is busy. You didn't have appointment, this and that, right? Even though we have appointment, Even though we do it very obediently and come next day to finish our duty, to finish our work, So that worldly activity is a small activity that you are doing for some problem or some small thing, Here you are coming for a liberation, a big activity, Here you are coming for the ultimate liberation. And still, sometimes because of the mistake done by the saints, if that happens, but that is not their real intent to insult you. They have some different reason that they stopped you. And these kind of incidents do happen, Not just to you, but so many others, But not everybody gets upset. So, even though they say no, we should have a samjan. We should have understanding. We should have maturity. And we should not feel bad, So, Pramukh Swami gave this kind of samjan, understanding, and he put them back on the roadway of the satsang, In our life also, sometimes we feel bad, We feel bad even outside of the satsang, If something happens outside, and we blame, who do we blame? Satsang and God, that I go to satsang and why this happened? I pray to God and why this happened, Well, that is our condition with the God and satsang, that I come to you, but be sure, make sure that you don't make anything wrong according to my plan, not your plan, not God's plan, According to our plan, it should not be anything wrong, And then when I sometimes think of that, I think of Amy, today is her anniversary, I think of Amy, that many years ago, she had first job, She started her first job. She was kind of fired from her brother's company, Rupit fired her, And she started a job, And there was a company, mortgage company from California, Century or New Century, right? A mortgage company. And they had a branch in Chicago, and she was hired, and she was doing the mortgages, and mortgages were going very, healthy at that time, And she knew people, and she had style of convincing people and all, whatever. So within a month or so, she was number one in the whole country for selling the mortgages, And I think she was making like $20,000 some dollars, per year. And she got a bonus for selling all these mortgages, like $30,000 bonus. Her bonus was bigger than her salary. And she was recognized all over America in the company, And then something happened. She got a new boss. Her old boss was transferred or moved or whatever, I don't know the detail, but the new boss came. And she had accumulated all these sellings that at the end of the year, the company gives total bonus also at the end of the year from the profit. So she gets two bonuses, One, the bonus that every month they give, that whoever is the number one gets 10% from the whatever they have sold. And that was like $30,000 or 5% or whatever, But then at the end of the year, they get bonuses also, So this new boss had an eye on Amy to fire her, Why? Because all that bonus will go to the boss then, Or whatever was the reason, Maybe Amy was not behaving well or whatever, According to the boss's eyes, And she would normally, from home, she would not go to the office. She would go to the clients directly in the morning. And in the afternoon, she would come. And her boss will say that, where were you all this time? And she said, obviously, I was to the clients. No, you come to the office first. Give your darshan. And then go. That was the mistake, And whenever she is late, she finds excuse, rather than going to the office and saying, I'm sorry, I'm late, she goes to the client, And then she would say, okay, I went to the client. I forgot, but I went to the client, Anyhow. But that boss painted a bad picture about her. So bad that he put a proposal to fire her, and company accepted. Even though she was top producer, That's how what happens, right? But in our eyes, we think that why this happens, right? So they fired her, November or something, I guess, just before the Christmas time, December or something, I was in the office, and she called me and saying that, Dad, I'm fired, And I said, what happened? She says that this boss is prejudiced, against women, And I said, what else? And he says that, I have done a lot of hard work, and there is a record, that there is a hard work, I've been recognized, So I said, what do you think we should do? She says, well, somebody is telling me to hire a lawyer, and file a lawsuit against discrimination, against women, and discrimination against me, and all that, Against her means, she is from the minority, or, she is coming from other countries, and things like that, So she says there is a lot of ways I can file a lawsuit and make a lot of money back, I said, well, let's do some dhun first, So we did some dhun for 2 minutes or so, Samnarayan. And then I said, well, if you have time and money, that you can go to lawyer, Because you are going to waste time and waste money, But instead, why don't you focus on finding a new job? And when you have a new job, and when you are earning a new job, then if you have time and money, then you file a lawsuit against that company if you are mad at that company, But it is a new century, So she accepted that, and she started looking for a job. And they had given her 2 weeks of pay for, finding a job. Exactly on the second week, last day, she got a job offer from Citibank. Citibank. And that is in Das Uncle's, near Das Uncle's house, there is one Citibank on that road, Dempster Road, right? She found a job there, And they gave her twice the salary of what she was making. $40,000 or something, plus, I guess. So she says that I found a nice job, and I'm happy. I said, okay, then, forget about that lawsuit and everything, but focus on your job, At the same time, Vibhaben also found a job in Citibank, but it was somewhere else, right? Amy? It was Citibank? Yeah. Arlington Heights. And they became friends. They were friends, but they became closer, And a year goes, and both bosses decides to fire both of them. Both of them are starting to think to fire both of them. And they were working hard, But this boss also, again, tells Amy that you are not coming to the office first, when you are going to clients, And that manager was not her direct manager also. She was reporting to some another manager that was not in that office. But the manager who was watching those tellers, those who distribute, those employees, and they come on time, and she is free bird, comes anytime she wants to, in his eyes. So he put a word to that boss and manager and whatever, and they decided to fire them, So Vibhaben was upset this time, not Amy. And says, what would happen? And I said, talk to Amy, because she knows that from 20,000 jobs, Citibank gave me 40. So whenever I'm getting fired, I'm getting better or double job, Not every time double. So she says, I am happy, I am okay, If they fire me, I know what is going to happen next, So she had more faith. But Vibhaben was unhappy, But both of them got a job at LaSalle Bank. 2 different branches. And they got 20,000 more than what they were making, So now they are happy, What I'm saying is that in God's book, there is a different solution, different formula for all of us. In our book, we think different, So when something wrong happens in our thinking, don't think that God is upset. Don't think that God is not happy, But God has plans, better plans for us. And we don't want to ruin that, Because if we make an intense prayer that, no, I want that same New Century job, no matter what. I want to have that boss fired, but not me. Yeah, it would happen. It would happen if you make a strong prayer. આપણે જો એવી જોરદાર પ્રાર્થના કરીએ તો ભગવાનને જે આપવું છે એને બદલે ભગવાને જે આપણને ઠોઈ રાખ્યા છે ત્યાં ત્યાં રાખે પણ પાછા દુખિયાના દુખિયા So today on this occasion we want to think always positive. આપણે જે કંઈ થાય છે ભગવાન જે કંઈ કરે એ સારા માટે જ કરે છે. તો આપણે સરસ એવો અંદરથી પાકો સિદ્ધાંત કરીને સત્સંગમાં આવીએ અને સત્સંગમાંથી સારું સારું લઈએ. ત્યાં બી વસીભાઈ ભરતભાઈ માટે બી આટલી મહાપૂજાને બધું થયું છે, ત્યાં આટલી પારાયણ થઈ છે. અહીંથી બાપુએ બી બધાને આપણને ઘણાને વાત કરી છે. અહીંથી જેની બી ભાવના હોય ત્યાં આગળ ત્યાં સેવા માટેની તો જરૂર અમને જણાવજો, ત્યાં મોકલી આપીશું. ત્યાં આગળ સેવા માટે ત્યાં આગળ બી એ લોકોએ બી આટલો દાખલો કર્યો છે, આટલી મહેનત કરી છે. They have done lot of things, So if we send something from our heart, then it would multiply. It would have mega level, we would get return in mega ways. सजानंद स्वामी महाराज नी जय. आज के आनंद की जय.